Okay, people, something big is casting a shadow on our planet. There it is right there. That line. That's a shadow from something else. And now you think that line means nothing, but it's a line in the middle of clouds. Like somebody drew a line in the middle of it. Not chemtrails, because the next day there's the same line in the same area, but this time larger. See? Ain't a chemtrail. It's a shadow from a planet. It's bigger. And now it's going to be even bigger. There it is right there. And look at the darkness and look at the light. It's a shadow being casted by a tremendous planet. And basically this thing is going to block out the sun in a minute. So it gets even bigger. There it is right there. Now there's no denying it, huh? It's right there. Right there. And ain't no denying that, is it? You can't pretend like a shadow. Look at the bottom. One side's orange, one side's gray and dark. You can't pretend like it ain't something big out there casting a shadow on our planet. So this is the best footage that you're going to receive until probably the event happens. You know, but at least you were forewarned that something is about to happen any minute now. This object is directly behind our sun, is in plain view, so watch. Right there. See the yellow part and the white part in the middle. The object is the big yellow part in the middle. It's been there. So we're going to put an effect on it right now. Check this out. Now you can see the big golden planet behind our sun. The sun is only giving out so much radius of light, but you can see this other planet has its own light source. You know, and basically when our sun go out, you're going to see the red glow of this big huge planet behind our sun. You shouldn't pretend like that's not there, or say the sun shows white and a big yellow planet behind it. Now we're going to invert it. Now you can see the big red planet behind our sun, and the inverted part of the sun turned black. You see? There is no denying it. So the sun is white and shaped kind of like a heart. Then it's black in the middle, and then the big red huge planet behind it, casting these huge rays onto our planet. Look at this. Look at those rays on our planet. You know, and that's coming. This is in the west. When the sun went down, the rays from this planet is beaming up from this planet that probably is directly underneath us now. Now inverted. You can see the rays to the left a little. See? You can see those rays coming up from this planet. Now, not only was it shining in the west right here, but at the same time when I turned the camera around, the rays were shining in the east. So this is the east. So you see the moon is out over here, same time, and the rays is all the way around this whole moon. So we're going to invert it again so that you can see the rays. Now you can barely see them, but they're there. So this thing is so huge that underneath our planet is shining rays from the east to the west. That's how big this damn thing is in comparison to our planet and our sun. Now I want you to check out the moon that I filmed the other day. That's cracked. Look at it, has damage on it, and it has a crack in it. And then when we zoom up closer, you're going to see that it is a cross in the moon. And see, the moon is, I'm moving the camera, so I'm real shaky with my hand, you know. And so you know that I didn't put no line on there because it's hard. It would be very difficult to hold a line on there doing something like this. And that is the moon. And watch this. The more closer we get to it, the more you're going to see a cross right in the moon. See it? Right there, a skinny ass cross in the moon. And you saw those cracks in there, and somehow those cracks disappeared, and it left it with a cross. See, zoom in, zoom out, cross in the moon. And yesterday I had a dream, or this morning, about the sun. The sun went out, you know, and I woke up frantic in that dream that the sun had went out. It had turned some type of brownish beige color, and it started getting dark fast, you know. it started getting dark very fast. And then while we were sitting around talking, the sun went completely out. But I told people the sun went completely out when that eclipse happened. It wasn't an eclipse, it was the sun, and it had went out. If you can go find the footage, you'll never see a moon or a planet eclipsing nothing, because the sun went out completely, and the sun is about to go out again. We are going through something right now, people. I don't know what it is. Neither does anybody else. But it has something to do with war. It has something to do with the planets. It has something to do with the alignment. You know, it has something to do with a lot of things. You know, but something big is getting ready to happen. So tonight we got this strawberry moon, and you know, we getting all these warnings that we're gonna go into darkness and it's gonna be bad. We're gonna go into war and it's gonna be bad. Economic collapse, famine, you name it. But this is Raptor News, the best watchman on the net, and y'all know it. And y'all know it. Ain't nobody better. Shalom.